Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a modification to my sit-on kayak. Okay, not so much a modification, more of an upgrade. It's my new Ocean Kayak Prowler 13, my new toy. So this is it, the new sit-on kayak. It's an Ocean Kayak Prowler 13 foot as the name suggests. The reason I went for this one is my other one was a little on the small side, if I'm honest. And this one you can get loads of gear in it. As you can see, nice comfy seat. Place for a rudder at the back, which I can fit. Massive storage area there, very deep. 2 rod holders. Got paddle securing points at either side. Waterproof hatch in the middle, which is waterproof, just for putting your keys and stuff. Water bottle holders, Scotty mount for your camera mount, and a huge hatch at the front, which I've got my kayak trolley in. This hatch is excellent. It's got the straps on top. It's a hard plastic lid, rubber seal around the top, and you can see in there I've got my kayak trolley. This all came with the kayak. It's a good one as well, that. It's a C-tug kayak trolley. Pneumatic tyres, and they're pushed right up there. So that's a great storage area. Got to get a lot more kit in there if I needed to. It's on a little leash as well, so it doesn't go over the side. Pops back on there. The usual one-handed filming. There we go. So we've got that. Drain plug, handles, side ropes for grabbing hold of should you go overboard. See the foot pegs, but you've also got provision here for if you want to fit foot pedals for the rudder. There's a little area there which was actually, I had a little fishing tackle box in there, but I don't do any fishing yet, so at the moment that's just an area to keep things. Another cup holder, Scotty mount like I said, and I've just sat in the water, which was nice. I'll teach me. Yeah, Scotty mount there. So that came with a Scotty rod holder with a bar that goes across, and then rod holder. But like I say, I don't do any fishing, so I've took that off and I'm using it for my camera. So that's coming quite useful. You can see there's a cleat at the side there. That was for an anchor trolley, which was on the starboard side. I think that's right. But I took that off because it's not something I'll be using yet. But if I ever need to put it back on, I can. Loads of these pad eyes everywhere. Say rod holders there, which I've been using for sticking the action camera in, like that. Obviously not pointing up, but you get the idea. Again, I'm just playing around with ideas at the moment. So that was that. Another handle at the back. There's a space there if you want to put an extra hatch in. Probably won't. And like I say, you can fit a rudder on the back there, which drops into the water obviously. You have it on some little pulley ropes that come down here. They come out of these little holes here. That's for the steering. and you pull the rope and the rudder flicks up and sits back on there when you come in ashore, or the other way back into the water when you want to paddle in a straight line. But I have to say, I've been paddling this for about an hour now, hour and a half, and it paddles very straight. As soon as you take the paddles out of the water, you go in a straight line. It's very got a very V-shaped hull, so it's streamlined, goes in a straight line. See there, it cuts through the water, but it is very stable. So that's the Ocean Kayak Prowler 13, my new toy. There you go, that was just a quick overview of the new kayak. I'm going to be doing plenty of new videos with this kayak, lots more expeditions out in the lakes and maybe the sea at some point, so look out for those. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.